Morning guys, November 9th, 2020. This one here I got a call for a boiler leaking water out the relief valve from what I could get from her gibberish, from what she was saying. So it's probably got a bad expansion tank or bad feeder, probably something like that, that's raising pressure in the boiler. It could be a bad relief. A lot of times it's the expansion tank. That's what, you know, I was kind of like, she was telling me what's going on over there, and you kind of got to grab at straws sometimes to figure out what the hell is going on. But I'm going to go over there and give it a look at it and see what's going on with it. Nice day over here, boy. Wow, beautiful out. It is beautiful out. 30 pounds. Let the water off there.
Got these like eco-friendly thermostats.
Do they work?
Well, I have to somehow hook them up to this machine, I guess.
Eco-friendly?
Yeah, they're like those eco bees.
Oh yeah.
But I guess they have to have some sort of a transmitter that I have to hook up to that thing. Will I need to replace this tank, do you think?
When you start having issues like this, probably every 5 years or so.
Okay.
When it starts building pressure,
okay,
then you know there's a problem, right?
It just looked like it was kind of a newer tank, so I guess it's...
Well, you can't go by looks.
Yeah.
You get a beautiful girl when she's a bitch, right? I mean, you can't go by looks, right?
Yeah, that is true.
So it's going to be that tank, guaranteed. If that tank has water in it and it's heavy, it's no good.
Okay.
Guaranteed a problem.
Okay. They told me when I bought it that they redid everything in 2017, but I guess not.
Say that again?
They told me that they redid everything in 2017.
Is there a little ladder here that I seen? Yeah, I want to grab
yeah,
that.
I got this little guy.
You got your rubber boots on. You waiting for a flood?
Well, it was kind of wet down here before. When I noticed it, you can see it, like this whole area was flooded out.
I'm bad, huh?
Also never lived in a house with a basement. I'm from the West Coast.
Oh my God,
we don't
you
really
are.
do basements over there.
You from California?
Yep.
Oh my God. So you like it better here or there?
Much better here.
But why is that?
It's more real. California's not for real people.
No?
No. It's
Ooh!
too expensive, too much traffic, too
Oh, I gotta
crowded.
get my cheetah. So if there's any water in this thing, when I take it out, it's no good.
Okay.
Because the diaphragm should push all that water out.
Right, okay.
I can tell it's full of water already. It's heavy.
Okay.
So that's why it's building.
That's good then.
That's why it's building pressure, right?
Yep.
Get to it. It's gonna be heavy. Oh, see what I mean?
Oh yeah. Okay. That should be
If
the
the
way it is
diaphragm
this
was
one.
good, it pushes all the water out. Right now,
Yep.
this diaphragm is all the way up to here.
Right.
So, if it's got water in it, when there's no boiler pressure, you know it's junk.
Okay.
So now when it heats, it will expand into this new tank,
Okay.
and it won't build pressure.
Perfect.
just... Just purge the air out, turn the water back on, and purge the zones. You got regular baseboard upstairs?
Hardwood floors. Is that?
What do you got for heaters?
Oh yeah, baseboard. Yeah, they're.
Baseboard.
I think the water runs through the baseboards. I think that's what they told me, or something like that.
Short here.
You want me to hold it over there?
No, I'll put another hose on it. I better shut it off. Put another hose. I'm too short. Story of my life, huh? I'll just put another hose on it.
Okay.
Alright, so I'll try it again. Got a little bit more hose on there. Nancy Pelosi. Oh, Nancy Pelosi.
She's in California, right?
Everything's full of water. Yeah.
Yep.
I'm gonna make a heating guy out of you. I'll make a heating girl out of you before you know it.
Things slowly but surely.
Huh?
I'll learn these things slowly but surely.
Yeah, you'll learn. Yeah, so we changed the relief valve because seeing it was leaking, you know.
Okay.
Plus the tank.
Okay.
And we should be fine.
Okay, perfect. Hey. Yep, he's here right now. We're downstairs. We're thinking it was just the tank that needed to be replaced and the valve. So he's getting that going and things are going well.
You can tell, and you can feel the air coming out. I'm giving it a good purge.
Okay, good. Now, should there be moisture on all the pipes up here? Is that pretty normal?
Not really.
Okay. Is that maybe something else?
Might be something else going on. I'm
I
not
need to
sure.
have fixed. Okay.
Unless that's the water line. Unless there was something. Is that something that's just something new? I think that might be your see all them lines over there? That's all hot and cold water. That might be the cold water lines.
Yeah, it is the cold water line.
So you must have a toilet that's leaking or something's running upstairs for it to be like that.
Oh, really?
Yeah, if it's running a lot, right?
Uh-huh.
And it's damp down here, it will condensate.
Okay.
So you might have a leaking toilet or something like that that's going on.
Okay.
That shouldn't be like that. Especially now, it's not that hot out, right?
Right. No,
So
that is weird.
something's using a lot of water.
Okay. I have a friend actually staying in one of the rooms that I used to have the toilet turned off in, so that's probably got to be it.
Sounds like that might be what the deal is. Maybe the toilet.
Is that something that you work on also that I could?
Yeah, I could probably look at it.
Or did that not to say?
No, it might be you need a flapper or something, you know.
Okay. Yeah, that would be amazing. I appreciate your being able to do this on such short notice.
Yeah, it's no big deal.
When I started doing this, I had no idea who to call, and I was so thankful that there's a little orange sign on this that tells me who to call and all that.
Yeah, I did something here. I'm not sure what it was.
I did something, so I didn't know who to contact, and that was
replace power head on bypass valve. That's what it says I did there.
Okay.
12? Wow, 8 years ago.
I guess so. Yeah, I never really looked at these things until...
Yeah, this one's got air on it. So you're like a texting machine.
I'm still technically at work, so...
Oh, you are?
Yeah, so I'm on the day, you know,
Well,
when I
that's
need
nice.
something to go on, yeah. Federal agriculture is just so frustrating. I mean, anything working for the federal government is bureaucracy and...
It's not easy.
It's not easy, so being out here is really nice.
Alright, I think that's gonna do it. We install the heads. About 15. Is the toilet leaking? Or you're not sure? Maybe that's why that line's sweating like that. Something's going on.
I'm almost certain the toilet is leaking because when I bought the house, it was turned off. I had it on and it felt like it kept running.
Yeah, so, that's probably what it is then.
Yeah, I'm almost...
No expansion tank, no relief valve. I did reinstate them heads. Everything's back where it needs to be.